You may have watched James Bond and assumed all the spy gadgets that Q presents to 007 are only reserved for the likes of elite secret agents. However, in reality, there are a number of gadgets that exist today that are in fact worthy of the modern spy yet available for anyone to buy. Number 10. Fingerprint Scanner. Fingerprint scanners are synonymous with the modern world now. Since Apple started using them, the ability to scan fingerprints has become so widespread, allowing people to have an extra level of security on devices containing sensitive information beyond their more day-to-day use. Fingerprint scanners have also been used in the making of locks. Any decent spy would definitely need one of these super secure locking devices to prevent unwanted eyes stumbling across their confidential possessions. Number 9. Spy cameras. The best spy cameras are the ones which resemble nothing like an actual camera, and there is a plethora of cameras that fit this criteria. One such example is the camera ring, which is paired with a tablet so that you can easily take some discrete snaps and have them uploaded onto your personal device. A similar device is the camera pen, which can take footage in high definition for your later viewing. There are even more subtle designs out there, including the supposed spyfly. The ability to create these gadgets has been around for years now, and while nobody is owning up to their use, some people have suggested they're currently being used at many major events throughout the world, such as protests or political visits, as a form of covert security. Number 8. PeepHole Reverser. Using a variety of mirrors, these little products are placed up the eye holes on people's front doors, so you can see what the owner is doing, usually the father of SWAT teams and police. The PeepHole Reverse allows you to look into someone's home while stopping them from seeing you. Number 7. Taser Phone. If you've ever thought that your iPhone just doesn't do enough for you, no matter how many apps you bought, now you can purchase an iPhone jacket from Yellow that features our 650K volt electrode that can supposedly hold an aggressive adult male. Despite the obvious power this can give people, especially women who feel the need for protection, it also gives you an excuse to shock your mate while they're not looking. Number 6. Self-Destructing Ram. RAM, or random access memory, is an integral part of any modern computer. While the various ways this can make data access easier isn't exactly riveting, new developments that allow for self-destructing RAM suddenly piqued our interest using 2 layers of foil. One highly magnetizing. The RAM will be destroyed if the foil is ripped. This means that if a thief tries to get at your information, they won't be able to get to it without getting through your security. What's more interesting is that this will allow criminals, and more importantly, spies, the ability to keep data out of the hands of their enemies in espionage. Number 5. Document scanners. Calling in the shape of a standard pen, a document scanner allows the chance to pull full lines of writing straight from a page without having to read it at the time. While the idea doesn't sound so, the 64 megabyte space on the contained microSD card allows you the chance to gather large amounts of information in a short period of time. If you're a spy attempting to grab some secret information as quickly as possible, this is the kind of thing you would use. Number 4. Electric pick gun, often referred to as a snap gun. A lock-picking gun fires rods against the various pins within a lock to determine when and how to turn, letting you into a door without the use of a manual lockpick. Electric pick guns will allow you to get into somewhere without any real expertise, and without the use of Route 4 spies will be able to get in and out without letting anyone know they've been there. Number 3. Vehicle trackers. As seen in Breaking Bad, bringing it into the public consciousness, vehicle trackers mostly use GPS these days to keep a track on someone when they're on the move. It's not that surprising to know that this takes place with the abundance of GPS technology that is available to the consumer these days. But to know that anybody could be watching where your car is traveling is very worrying. If a spy needed to keep a daily tag on you, they'd be able to see exactly where and when your car has been for however long the battery lasts. Number 2. Envelope X-ray spray. This product allows you to check how much money Granny has sent you for your birthday without opening it before your birthday, making opaque paper translucent before returning it to its previous state, leaving behind no stains or smells. That being said, it's also the perfect way to check for a letter bomb as well, so it's not just a silly product made for fun. Number 1. Jetpack. Do we even have to get into how amazing it would be to have a personal jetpack? The Martin Jetpack is a real-life version of the fictional single-person aircraft that has now been worked on for 30 years. It's believed that once it's up for sale, it will be able to fly for just under 30 minutes and reach a speed of 40 miles per hour, meaning that many distances will be nothing for spies who need to get somewhere quick. Imagine being chased by a man in a black suit with a giant jetpack on. Given that these gadgets are available for anyone to buy, which one would you most like to have?